Today I'm going to show you a couple of tricks in here using the select option so that you can narrow down your choices when you're working. So here I am in MYEDBC, and so let's say for example I want to get some contact information from some of my students. So I'm going to click on student, and if I click on the little martini glass or the filter menu, right, I'll say students in my classes. So that will give me all of my students. So if I just want some of them, right? So let's say I just want some information. So let's say, for example, I would like this one, and this one. So if I go options and show selected, that will get rid of all the other ones and just have those three. So then I can go into this particular student's information and look through anything that I would like to find out, get the addresses, get the contact information, etc. And then I can just click up here to go to the next record and go to my third student, and then so that will get rid of all of my other students that I might have on that list. So if I just want to look up some student information, yeah, it's a nice easy way to actually do it. So if I go back to my student list, just those three are there, and so then I can just click here and students in my classes, and then I get all of my students again. The other thing I can do is, if I would like, I'm going to choose those three again, and that one. So I'm going to show selected. So I can actually look up the report card of these students to see, okay, are they just doing really, really well in my courses, or are they doing really, really poorly in just my courses, and how are they doing overall? So sometimes it's nice to see that how they're working out in other classes. So I'm going to click reports, and there's report card, and then I want to choose the middle years and secondary option. So school year, report card type, sorry, I want secondary. Term, I want Q1. Sort students by name. Okay, I usually don't play around with this too much. I'll show the school message if I want to see what the heck the school is saying. And then I just hit run. I'm going to produce a PDF. I'll hit run. And there's their report card that they would see. Okay, shows their attendance, shows their different courses, and I'm going to go through this quickly, but not too quickly. It's kind of a pain in the neck to blank out, but so you can see how they're doing in their courses, just to see, okay, is it across the board or what is it? So you can go through, and I keep going, and I can see my other students as well, but it's a lot of work to blank that out, so I'm going to pass on that right now. But so that's how you can get to the report cards. Let's see, students in all my classes. What else did I want to show? Oh, verification sheets. Okay, so I'm going to go to my gradebook. So same thing. If I just want, after I've done my verifications for a particular class, so I'm just going to choose that one. I can do it for all of them, right? So I can go here under my gradebook and get my verifications with comments, but that's going to give them all to me at once. So I'm just going to go like one class at a time. So I'm just going to go show selected. And now I will get the verifications with comments for Q1. Sections to include, current selection obviously, and run. And so then that will give me that class. And then I can just look over their comments for that particular class. So that little show selected tool will help you narrow down some of your different options that you've got instead of having to scroll through, in case you haven't seen that one yet. Okay, thanks for watching.